Ltd, and today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite holiday cocktails. This drink is not just perfect at Christmas time, it's a perfect drink for any special occasion. We are going to be making non-alcoholic sangria. A sangria is a red wine filled with fruits. Now there's no limit to the number of fruits or the choice of fruits that you can use to make this delicious drink. And it's not just great for Christmas time only, it's great for any special occasion. So let's go over the ingredients to our non-alcoholic sangria today. We have 1 orange, which I sliced to get some nice orange wheels. We have 1 apple, which I also sliced. Now you can use either a non-alcoholic red wine or an alcoholic red wine if you want it to be more adult. But today we're using 1 cup of pomegranate juice and 1 cup of cranberry juice, which is an excellent replacement. And 1 cup of orange juice. This is a really easy drink, so we're gonna just add our apple slices to a large glass jug. Now we're gonna add our orange slices, no particular order. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add the liquid. And a sangria always tastes better a couple of hours after. Once the fruits and the different juices and the wine would have had an opportunity to just work together, it tastes so good after about a couple of hours. So if you have a special occasion coming up, I highly recommend making your sangria a couple of hours before. Now we're gonna stir gently, chill, and we are done. We will now put it into the fridge, normally to chill for a couple of hours, but we're gonna go ahead and taste it. After a couple of hours, the natural sugars from the fruits will elevate the taste of this sangria, and it will help to balance it out because we would have added a lot of citrus, and the sweetness from the fruits will make it a well-balanced drink. Now it's time to taste. It smells so good, even though we have not used red wine, but we use a substitute for red wine, which was the cranberry and the pomegranate. It still has an amazing scent, aroma, so good. Now let's taste. So fruity and so refreshing. This holiday season, if you have friends and family that are coming over to spend some time with you, be sure to treat them to this amazing drink. Non-alcoholic sangria. Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this drink, I want you to look over here and see some of my other drinks. And once you've watched them all, just click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.